So what's going on, man?
We heard that a construction worker fell down like a cliff. He should be like somewhere around here, okay? So let's start looking over here.
Yeah, so we're looking for a construction worker, guys.
Hidden Explorer Carter. And this is our best friend here, Snappy, the fat ass. This is also his like first day on the job, actually. Like,
yo,
seriously,
on the scary job.
This is his first job. This is like first time actually being in like the video. Well, except for Adventures of Snappy, but that doesn't fucking count. Fuck him.
Adventures of Snappy is its own like series.
Yeah. God damn.
Okay, so what are we looking for?
First of all, take like fucking look over here.
Lucky Penny. Oh shit. Just a cougar there.
Yeah, fucking
Bull is a Black Panther.
Megaphone.
Construction workers use that.
Yeah, they definitely do. Penis. Yeah, works.
Okay. Maybe we could use that to call him. Like, come over here, set it, and like it's like say.
Horny Harold, where are you? Horny Harold, are you out here? Fucking cops outside.
Because there's a cup outside. Logo down.
So if our phone starts to die, we could probably use these batteries to, you know, charge it.
Yeah, if you're a fucking retard.
Bitch. Hey, turn on. Hey, penis. Talking balls. Hey,
I'm sorry, mate. Hey, it's a mysterious light.
That's a seen place.
Average white
That was
place.
the last place you've ever seen. Alright, I see you. Wait.
Well, I'll poke the camera in there. There may be someone in there.
Oh, sorry. Horny Harold, come out right now. We are not trying to kill you, we just want to save you.
We're gonna talk. Horny
I
Harold.
want to see your penis.
It's not in here.
What the fuck? She came on. What the fuck? Get your pan at.
I don't see anything.
Right, keep it up.
There's nothing there. Literally, the camera's not picking it up. Shit, there's something there. Run.
Go.
Horny, it's Horny Harold.
I don't think Horny Harold. I bet Horny Harold's gonna try and close that door.
He's running.
Oh, fuck! Get out of here! Currently, we're behind this booby tree right here.
Okay. Push the camera up. Kill 20 Harold. I think I see something.
Shit, he can't see you. He's only here. So be quiet. He can only hear you. He cannot see you. Shut up. Stand still. He can't see you. Okay, I've just been attacked by Horny Harold. Currently running. Okay. Horny Harold. Oh, shit. Hang on. Interesting stuff. Or maybe the last. You can only. They can't see. They can only hear you.
here, please. You can't see me. Breathe. You won't be able to find me. Show me. What's the back? Oh, yeah. You can lose them. Don't be right. Currently over there. I'm going to sit here because I can 100% hear you if you're moving, but not really talking. You know, I can't hear talking. Horny Harold, he can hear. Horny Terry, he can hear. He can't really hear. Stand still. Stand still and he won't see me. I gotta get caught. Doesn't see me. They hear me, so I have to move.
Old house stuck. No go. Let's check there.
If I freeze, they can't see me.
Warren Harold, guess what? Why?
Okay, I just ran away from Honey Hill. It's close call. They almost killed me. Don't think they really saw me. Come in my direction. I'm gonna go. Oh shit. Hey, give me a couple seconds, please. 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 No. 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 Ah. tonight.
Your mouth. Okay, guys. Run. I think I saw this. What is this? What is this? Oh my god. I think this was from...
This will help us find where the ghosts are. Okay?
Yes.
Shine it up there. Shine it up.
Whoever lost it.
That way.
I think this was from...
I almost get.
Guys, I think this is from the Sussy Man.
This is from Sussy Man. Sussy Man himself. It's Cat.
What was that? He was definitely here.
See the scratch mark right here.
There's no scratch mark on it. That's bird shit.
Right? Scratch mark.
Yeah.
You know? He was here.
Yes, he was here somewhere. You have to be very fucking quiet. Wait, I think I saw something. What? What was that?
Ah!
Howdy. What was that? Guys, what was that? Oh my god. This was not here before, guys. Get the fuck out.
Ancient relics. Hold on. Yeah, how's the trip?
Don't. That could summon Chuck E. Cheese.
How's the trip?
Oh my god. What is that? What is that? Oh my god, guys. It's the funny man. No. No. Guys, we need to run away. It's the funny man. No. No, god. No, Mungus Bear, no. Mungus Bear. Into behind the scenes episodes.
Okay, behind the scenes episodes.
Why do I have to be here? He's choking me. Fuck you. You don't want me to choke. Booted up my piece.
Doing for a new review, you'll see it. You've probably already seen it, you know?
Booted up my piece because I need you.
Looks like a bean on
That's probably like copyrighted by now.
Oh, shut up. Shut up.
What do I look like? Yeah, show me what you look like. Take a picture and show me what you look like.
What do I look like, huh?
Pansy.
No. You need to get it like all over his
more.
body. You need to get, you gotta get his body.
You also have to cover up more of my face.
No, your face is good. Your face is good.
That's fine.
Your face is good. Unless
You
you
look dumb,
just
it's
want to
good.
stop. Unless you just want to stop breathing.
Like one of
Well, this is the stuff we're using, not even sticky or anything.
I don't feel filthy.
Just get this out to your like local Walmart or something. Your Menards. Okay. And you can get this at your like Menards. We got a megaphone for here.
The safe word will be banana, just in case you get it.
Yeah.
Oh, yellow banana if I'm getting
Banana.
Hooker. Oh no, that sounded wrong. Hooker. What the fuck? Hey, your flies. Oh no, wait, hold on. Pull your fly up more.
It's just a wee bit loose,
This is
you know what I mean?
This is also for the video.
That's child porn.
Hold that right there.
Tie it down. No, like wrap my body in it.
Yeah, like no. Look, you have to like get like around here,
Hold on, I'm working on it.
like around here.
And one more in my
What percent your
face.
phone at?
No.
What percent
What?
your phone at?
I'm
You
about
know the phone charger you're using actually?
I'm gonna come.
It actually charges 50% faster or something.
Shit.
When you charge
Can I just like sit against the wall?
Yeah.
Okay, bet.
Use all of it.
No, like get on his stomach more, like around his stomach. Two gay bros, one with a girlfriend.
Yeah, it is.
Carter, what do you have to?
No, fuck you. I will kill you. No.
Bro, a bunch of black dudes on hogs. Come here, boy. Come here. Hog riding.
cut your circulation off for a video. My favorite time. Circulation deletion time.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Also, we could just like cut some of this out for Carter. I can send it to you. It's like,
Yeah,
don't
cut
say that. We're cutting that. Cut that. Cut that. Well, that's gonna get cut. You gotta go through the whole video.
You have to involve that. You have to involve that.
No, because you're gonna get punched. No inward.
Yes, they're gonna find where I live.
Shut up.
Yeah. Like, there's like a spotlight on you right now.
There literally is.
Okay. No, bro, come on. I wanna run.
My butt's getting cold.
No. I need one more, like straight down.
Just can't see.
I can't see.
Oreo. Yo, black cat.
No, like cover one of my eyes. Black cat. Oh, there's another one.
Pickles. Pickles over you. Here, pickles. Come here, boy. Come here. Pickles, come here. Pickles. Come here. I'm not doing. No. I saw some. No. Find it out. We're going inside.
No, we're not going inside.
I saw something.
Who fucking cares? What'd you say? Huh?
I don't know.
Did you piss yourself? You did piss yourself. Not again, no. I can't see.
Just don't look down, guys.
Not again, no.
Now I'm recording again.
At the end of the video, you should just come up and say, "Hey, I just fell down a well. Do you even have any respect for people who are injured?" I'm gonna be lumping like this.
Yeah, but hey, hold up. Like go over in the grass and like do your
My
run.
name is Horny Hero.
Okay, we're gonna see how you run. Like do this. Look. Look. Oh, Cooper, watch, Cooper.
No, I'm. Please help me. No, Cooper, I'll show you.
And you gotta be like groaning.
Please help me.
Cooper, just like just groan, just like. Okay, we're about to record.
No, wait, don't. He's not ready yet. Come back over here. We're not done yet.
Can't really see. Oh Jesus, you come out! No.
Oh God. I can't see.
Just the camera angle. It's just. Well, I'm just like.
Bro, get a picture of my wee wee. Hello, my name's Cooper Huckleberry, and welcome to Jackass. That's actually good impression, though.
Black cat. I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding.
Can you do your right foot?
Nope.
Good.
Yo, Carter, stop tying it. Jesus.
It's hard. Point it at me, and Cooper's gonna be back there.